He made a name for himself defending notorious gangster James Whitey Bulger, and now he'll be prosecuting Karen Read in her retrial this winter after a jury was deadlocked this summer. The Norfolk DA appointing a special prosecutor.
And tonight we're hearing how the family of the man Read is accused of killing feels about this. Read was neither convicted nor acquitted in the death of her boyfriend, Boston police officer John O'Keefe. And now prosecutors are changing their strategy. Our Mary Saladna is in the newsroom with what happens next, Mary.
Yeah, Maria, this is a major shakeup. Norfolk District Attorney Michael Morrissey has put prominent Boston attorney Hank Brennan in charge of the Read case going forward. Legal experts say putting Hank Brennan in charge of Karen Read's retrial gives prosecutors not only a fresh set of eyes, but a boost in credibility and strategy.
He is then given independence to look at the whole case. The charges, what's appropriate going forward, what witnesses do I use?
News Center 5 legal analyst Martha Coakley says Brennan is the reset the prosecution needed.
I think he brings that gravitas, that strength of character and experience to the case at this stage. It's a smart move for the DA.
In a statement, Hank Brennan told News Center 5, I have two core obligations. The first is to make certain that Karen Read receives a fair trial. Ms. Read will receive the dignity and fairness that every defendant deserves in our criminal justice system. The second is to ensure that the facts surrounding John O'Keefe's death are fully and fairly aired in the courtroom without outside influence. Read's attorney, Alan Jackson, fired back in his own statement, accusing District Attorney Morrissey of using taxpayer funds to hire an outside lawyer because he lacks confidence in his own team, saying they can bring anyone they want to court. We will beat this unjust prosecution just like we did the last time.
I think they can, condense things, move things along a little bit faster.
That was John O'Keefe's brother, Paul, in June, when News Center 5's David Bienick asked him what prosecutors might do differently in the second trial.
I don't think any jury wants to sit there for 9 weeks and then deliberate for another week.
Tonight, the O'Keefe family tells News Center 5, we are happy and excited to have Hank as part of the team. Now, the O'Keefe family has filed a wrongful death civil lawsuit against Karen Read. Read's criminal retrial is slated for January.